Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, ladies, are you looking for something new, something different, but something that looks absolutely natural? Well, here it is, ladies. Look no further. This is the Crochet Afro Hairstyles. Yes, in this video, I am going to be bringing you some natural looking crochet afros. Yes, ladies, you too can wear a beautiful afro just like this one. Continue to keep watching and watch how all these beautiful styles are accomplished. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Look how natural it looks. It is amazing. Continue to keep watching. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.